The ESCO 3 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. In this video, we'll take a look at the ESCO 3 Portable Bluetooth Speakers by JAYS. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, micro USB cable for charging, and a cloth storage pouch. The speaker features 10 hours of playtime with a 2000 mAh battery. Takes about 3 hours to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 4.2 and SBC codec. It has a 13 watt amplifier with DSP, micro USB for charging, and microphone. This is the concrete white version. It also comes in graphite black. The speaker has a fabric top and a plastic base. You also have the branding on the front. The bottom has a rubber lining for stability. On the side, you'll find an adjustable carrying strap, and it has a copper accent that wraps around the speaker. On the right side, you'll find the following: volume down, volume up, power button, LED, and a microphone. And on the back, you'll find the micro USB charge port. The speaker comes in at about 5.2 by 2.3 inches, and it weighs in at roughly 528 grams. And now for some audio samples. The ESCO 3 Portable Bluetooth Speaker by JAYS. The speaker feels solid and well built. The overall sounds are pretty good for its size. You won't get the heavy punchy bass, but it does have its presence. Mids and highs come in very clear and loud. When listening to vocals, you can really hear the clarity. Volume levels can get high and I didn't experience any distortion. You also get that 360-degree sound with its cylindrical design. The microphone was pretty loud when using it with calls, and the other parties had no issues hearing me. The call audio also came in clear through the speakers. One thing I would have liked to seen is an IP rating since none was specified, so you won't get that protection from the elements. But the overall sound is sure to fill up a room with no issues and provide some solid sounds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unbox. Take care, everyone.